Welcome students. Students, we have already started chapter number 10, measurement, correct? So chapter number 10, page number 170, measurement. Students, in this chapter, we will learn how to measure length, weight and capacity. Okay? So today I will teach you how to measure length. Okay, so today's topic is measuring length. So, what is length? First, we will see what is length. So, students, the size of something from one end to other. How long something is length? What is length? Suppose, see this book. Okay, see this book. If I want to measure the length of this book, then how I will measure? I will measure from one end, means from here to here, from one end to other. And how long this book is? It means it is length. Okay, so length, it means the size of something from one end to the other. And how long that is? It means length. Okay, so students, length, measuring length. Length measured, there are two ways to measure length. One is by objects and body parts. By using objects and body part, see this, by using objects and body parts. So how I will measure, or how you will measure by using objects and body parts? Yes, this also we have already learned in last class, right? Using body part, it means using your hand span, or digit or palm, correct? We have or cubit, right? Or foot span. This is body parts, using body parts. And how we will measure using objects? Using that paper clips or eraser or sharpener, you can measure the length of that object, correct? And second option is a scale or measuring tape. By using a scale or measuring tape, you can measure the length. But students, do you know, but when we used body parts to measure the length, that time that length is not fixed. Correct? As I already told you in the last class. Because what happened? Suppose we both are measuring together and the same thing. That time what happened? My hand is bigger than yours. Right? So our answer will get different. That is why by using objects and body part, that time length is not fixed. And when we used scale or measuring tape, that time that length is fixed. So there are two types of fixed length which we are commonly used. One is a centimeter, that is cm, and second is a meter. One is a centimeter and second is a meter. Okay, so what is centimeter? Centimeter. Centimeter is a small fixed length. It is small fixed length, this much only. It is small fixed length and it is written as cm in short. Both the letters small. So it is written as cm in short. And third one, it is used to measure the small lengths of things like a book, pencil, cup, like this way. So centimeter is very small fixed length. Students, this scale, see this scale. This scale is available with everyone, correct? And on this scale you can see here cm is written. Look at your scale. Take out your scale and see your scale. Here cm is written. See. Here cm is written. So cm, it means centimeter. So this scale is 15 centimeter long. Okay. So this scale is 15 centimeter long. Even this ruler, this big ruler is 30 centimeter long. See here, 30 centimeter long. Okay, so centimeter means when we want to use small lengths like a book, pencil, cup, that time we measure in centimeters. See, if I want to measure this book now, this book length, I want to measure the length of this book, then I'll use centimeter, means that this time I'll use this scale, and by using scale, see, I'll tell you this book is 24 centimeter long. So this book is 24 centimeter long. Okay. So when we want to measure something small, that time we will use centimeter. Okay. So that time we will use scale or ruler. Next is a meter. M-E-T-R-E. Meter. Exact opposite, that is meter is much bigger than centimeter. It is much bigger than centimeter. Then what is meter? So meter, it is written as small m. Small m in short. Okay. And it is used to measure bigger lengths of the things like walls, clothes, area, distance, like that way. If you want to measure the area of your house, that time you can't measure with the help of this ruler. Even you can't use this small scale to measure the area of your house. For that purpose, you need meter tape. See, like this meter tape. This one is a meter tape. You need like this meter tape. See, and this meter tape usually used by tailors. So in short, we can say centimeter is used to measure small lengths of things like cup or writing pad or pencil, eraser, books and etc. But for bigger lengths of things, to measure that bigger lengths of things, we will use meter. What we will use? Meter. And meter is written as small m in short, and centimeter, it is written as small cm in short. Clear? Yes, and it is very easy to understand. And meter and centimeters are fixed lengths. That is most commonly used fixed length. Okay? And it is important that when 100 centimeter completed, it means 1 meter. 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter, or we can say 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, right? So 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter, or 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. See this meter tape. This meter tape. So this meter tape here on this meter tape here 100 centimeter is completed. See this 100 centimeter is completed, this much of long 100 centimeter is completed. So 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter, means this distance is 1 meter. Okay, so 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Or when 300 centimeter completed, it means 3 meter completed. When 400 centimeter completed, it means 4 meter completed. Or 4 meter equals to how many centimeter? 400 centimeter. Means exact vice versa or opposite. Right? So 300 centimeter equals to 3 meter, or we can say 3 meter equals to 300 centimeter. Correct? Okay. Look at next question. That is question number 2. Using the ruler drawn, find the length of the given objects. So A1, here you can see one ruler is drawn here and one object's marking is given. So we have to give answer that how much long that object is. So look at this ruler. See here. So here this one, how to find the length from one end to the other. So here, and always we will start from the 0. So here 0 is there. So from here to here, it is how much long? 7 centimeter long. So you will write here 7 centimeter. So this object is 7 centimeter long. Yes? Okay. Now next, that is D. Look at this eraser and tell me this eraser is 2 centimeter long. Correct? Because we will measure from this end to this end. So it is 2 centimeter long. Correct? So this eraser is 2 centimeter long. Okay? Okay. Now students, now look at another question. Next question, that is that question is on page number 173. Fill in the blanks. Now you have to fill in the blanks. See the first, 7 meter equals to dash centimeter. Now tell me 7 meter equals to how many centimeter? 700 centimeter. Very good. So write 700 centimeter. B dash meter equals to 300 centimeter. Now tell me. Yes, 3 meter equals to 300 centimeter. So 3 meter equals to 300 centimeter. Now 5 meter equals to how many centimeter? If 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, then 5 meter equals to 500 centimeter. So 5 meter equals to 500 centimeter. Next, E dash meter equals to 900 centimeter. So 9 meter equals to 900 centimeter. Very good. Done. And the remaining questions which we have not done, that question is your homework. Okay, that question you have to solve in your maths textbook. Now next, students, now I will teach you how to add and subtract length. That is addition and subtraction of length. Same how other numbers are added or subtracted, in the same way we will also add and subtract length also. That is meter and centimeter also. Okay, so let's see. Look at this sum, and here meter and centimeter, and that is 2 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter and 20 centimeter. We have to add in 4 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay, so first we will add centimeter. Okay, so add centimeter first and then meter. So let's see how. 0 plus 0, of course 0. So write 0. Then 2 plus 5 equals to how many? 7. So 7. So it is 70 centimeter. Now we will add meter. 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4 is 6. So your answer is 6 meter 70 centimeter. Correct? Okay. Now next. Now we will subtract the length. Subtract, that is subtraction of length. So same as we added, here we have to subtract. So first here for addition we add centimeter first. So here we will subtract centimeter first. So subtract centimeter first and then meter. So see here, first we will subtract this 2, that is 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Correct? Now this, that is 6 minus 7. So 6 minus 7, possible? No. Why? Because 6 is smaller than 7. 7 is bigger. Correct? So 6 is smaller than 7. Then what you will do? Yes, we will borrow from the meter. So we will cut 7 and then we will cut 6. Instead of 7, what we will write? 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6. Correct? And instead of 6, what we will write? 16. So it is 16. Now we will subtract 16 minus 7. For this purpose, what we will do? Yes, we will start counting after 7 till 16. So count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 minus 7 is 9. Correct? So look at 16 minus 7 is 9. So here you will write 9. Now next we will subtract meter. That is 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So write 3. So 3 meter 90 centimeter. Okay. So the same way we will add also and we will subtract also. So open your maths textbook, page number 174. Write today's date, that is 10 February 2021. And question number 4, solve these. Some questions are given, that questions are mixed up. Like some sums are addition and some sums are subtraction. And both the way you have to solve. So for that purpose, look at the sum properly. Okay. Look at this sum, and in this sum what you will do? Yes, you will subtract the numbers. So which column you will subtract first? Meter or centimeter? Yes, centimeter. So start from the centimeter, that is 3 minus 6. Now tell me, 3 minus 6 possible? You can cut 6 fingers from this finger, from these 3 fingers? You can't. Then what you will do? You will borrow from the next number. So your next number is 8. So you will cut 8 and 3. Instead of 8, you will write 7. Correct? And instead of 3, you will write 13. Now what you will do? 13 minus 6 you will subtract. Now for 13 minus 6, you will start counting after 7 till 13. So count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 fingers. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 possible? No. So what you will do? You will again borrow from the next number. And here you will borrow from the meter column. So we will cut 1 and instead of 1 we will write 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0 and instead of 7 you will write 17. Correct? Now 17 minus 9, again you will start counting after 10 till 17. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Total 8 fingers. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So 87 centimeter. Now meter. Meter column we will solve. 0 minus 9. Is this possible? No. Then what you will do? You will borrow from the next number. So your next number is 4. So we will cut 4 and instead of 4 we will write 3 and we will cut 0 and instead of 0 we will write 10. Correct? So 10 minus 9 is 10 minus 9 is 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Now see here, 3 minus 4 possible? No. So we will borrow from the next number, that is 1. So we will cut this 1 and instead of 1 what we will write? 0 and instead of 3 we will write 13. Now 13 minus 4. So we'll start counting after 4 till 13. So count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 13 minus 4 is 9. So it is 91 meter and 87 centimeter long. 91 meter and 87 centimeter. Okay? Hope students you understand that subtraction and addition of length. Addition and subtraction of length. So for addition and subtraction, first we will add or subtract centimeter first and then meter. And as another numbers we add or subtract, the same way here also we have to add and subtract the meter and centimeter. Okay, and you understood now what is meter and what is centimeter? Yes, so meter is used to measure the bigger lengths and centimeter is used to measure the small lengths of things. Correct? Okay. So now students, close your book. Now we will learn table. And the last class we have completed till table of 15. Now today we will learn table of 16 and table of 17. Okay. So first see table of 16. Now first I will say and then afterwards you have to repeat with me. Okay, we both will say together. So 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Okay. Again 16 one and this time we both will say together. Okay. So start. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. Okay. Now table of 17. So first I will say and then afterwards we will say together. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. Okay, now we both will say together. Okay. So 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85, 17 sixes are 102, 17 sevens are 119, 17 eights are 136, 17 nines are 153, 17 tens are 170 over. Yes, and these three tables, that is table of 15, table of 16 and table of 17, you have to write in your maths notebook 2 times. Okay, so the remaining questions and 2 times table, that much of is your homework. Okay, so complete your homework. And even using scale or ruler which is available in your home, you can measure the things. Okay, so try to measure the things, that is measuring of length. Try to measure the length of that things. Okay.